The summer capital in Alamada, Rangayen, is a barangay located in the municipality of Alamada, province of North Cotabato. We went to North Cotabato last Saturday. I'm with my older brother Kenneth, but before that, I visited the opening of a new gym here in Cotabato City, the XYZ Fit Stop. I used to go to the gym way back 2017 before switching my exercise into cycling. Back to our travel, we left our house at 9 a.m. riding a automatic scooter, Honda Beat 110 Fi. Without a private vehicle, you can ride a van or a bus going to Libungan, North Cotabato. The fare is around 30 to 40 pesos. If you're not familiar with the place, I recommend you taking the bus because it will drop you exactly at the Libungan terminal. And from there, you will hire a single motorcycle or habal-habal. Unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to ask about the fare, but it might cost you around 200 pesos or more. We're so lucky of the weather. It's almost 10 a.m. but it's still cloudy. We arrive at the Petron gas station in Libungan Terminal at 10:25 a.m. It's a 40-minute ride from our house to Libungan Terminal. We bought some water and bread. I'm pretty amazed that the bakery was cheap. We were able to buy this bread called double body for only 3 pesos. When in Cotabato City, it will cost you around 6 pesos. From terminal to Rangayen is 39 kilometers and it is 1,926.5 feet above sea level. After passing Barangiran Elementary School, we were like trekking with our scooter, because it was like a non-stop climbing road and you will slowly feel that the air is getting colder. We took some few stops for us to get some rest, because it was a painful experience for my butt. I really enjoyed the cinematic view of the trees and mountains. Don't miss the chopo-shaped mountain in the right side of the road going there. It's really cute. I'm totally amazed that I forgot to take a photo of it. You must see it yourself. I also noticed some pretty houses and it reminds me of Tagaytay. I already have thoughts in mind that I would love to live there because of the weather. We arrived at the tent city at 11:28 a.m. It was a 1-hour ride from Libungan Terminal. You will need to pay for 25 pesos entrance fee. If you want to stay there for overnight, you can visit their Facebook page for more inquiries. We only took some photos and headed to the Guo Peak. Left. Going back to Cotabato City, we stopped at Katikubong to have some lunch. We also planned to buy some shoes in a thrift shop in Pigkawayan, but unfortunately the stalls there were closed, so we decided to just go home. It was a quick and fun experience after all.